美国国会议员戴维·普莱斯等来自民主党与共和党的6名议员，以及国会工作人员共30余人，近日访问印北山城达兰萨拉，先后同藏人行政中央与西藏人民议会以及民间团体代表会面。8月3号，这支代表团拜会达赖喇嘛尊者，并与尊者共享午餐，而尊者也在见面会上向美国表达了感谢。
Our Speaker Nancy Pelosi, I want first to bring you greetings from her and to give you a letter which you will.
She visited
China
a year
ago
and America. I think strong supporter about Tibet. Our hope also, you see, entirely, mainly depend on American support. Then, 73, I visited Europe. Then, 79, visit America. So once I felt strong supporter, not just political reason, but moral principle. So since then, America, our main supporter. So now, today, see from both houses, and also
parties.
And from Delhi, American embassy. So, come here, most welcome.
We're 6 members of Congress. We want to quickly, just add, we want to continue to build our friendship and our partnership going forward. I'd like to get your thoughts at some point.
I think they very much related with holistic view. Anger, only small area. More calm mind, you can see the reality more closely. Reality, everything interconnected. Like now quantum physics say, you see, nothing independently exists. Everything interconnected. So all the negative emotion very much based on appearances. Something negative, something positive, something absolute. So that brings too much attachment, too much sort of irritation. In that understanding quantum physics, nothing independently exists as appears. If we investigate, you cannot find. So things are relative. So there's big gap, appearances and reality. All the negative emotion very much based on appearances. So if you go deeper level, then the very basis of anger, the hatred and too much attachment, you see, no proper basis, just appearances. So my daily practice, I also, you see, use the quantum physics thinking. That's very similar. That of ancient Indian knowledge, nothing independently exists. Nothing exists as appears. If we investigate, all are just mentally disseminated. Very complicated philosophy. Very useful.